Alright, so what we have here is the frame. It's all back from the sandblaster and it looks fantastic. The process of, we keep on saying sandblasting, but it really is aluminum oxide is the media they use for us. And it goes right through and it turns this black frame into a whitish type color and cleans it up pretty darn good, which is nice to see. It gets right down to the base and you can see where all your deficits are. And really, to be honest with you, there are not many in this frame, if any at all, to be honest with you. It's in excellent condition. Sometimes you have deficits right back here on the bottom part of that. We don't have any of that. The inside cleaned up real well. We saw a lot of the dirt coming out, but as you can see right now, those relief holes are nice and clean, and right down into the relief hole you can see that it's been sandblasted. Right down there, seeing that rivet right there. So it looks great from that perspective. The only deficit we have is in the back end. Obviously the cross member has been taken off. Frame gussets, leaf spring gussets are removed. We have some rivets here yet to be removed. But the problem is sort of typical. Usually the whole back end goes, but on this one we just have it thinning. And it's sort of paper thin right here, and you can see it's rotted out. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out this section right here and weld in some flat stock so it mimics this, and then grind it down and it will look sharp and transition well. Same thing for this. It isn't rusted, but it's rather thin right here, so that we have a good mounting surface. We'll go in and cut this out and weld in flat stock, recreating a frame rail at the back here, and then bolting on our rear cross member, leaf spring gusset, and frame gusset. That'll make that rear end very, very solid. Factory solid, better than factory solid. Then the next thing to happen here is going to be the power steering unit will be welded on. There'll be a 3-inch hole on this side and a 2-inch hole on the back side of that cross member. A plate welded on here. Power steering box will go right there. So that's our next step.